Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get an API key from Firebase. First, go to your Firebase account and go to the console on the upper part. Here you can choose your project, or you can create a new one. In here, I will show you how to create a new one. Just click on Create a Firebase project, enter a name for it and click Continue, select an account, just choose the default one and create a project. Once done, just click on Continue. After that, besides the project overview, just click on the settings and select Project Settings. Now scroll down, then under your apps, just click on what you want to add, like an iOS app, an Android app, a Unity app, and such. For this, I will use Embed. For my web app, I'm just going to name it however I want. You can also set up a Firebase hosting, then just click Register App, then click on Next. Next and continue to console. As you scroll down, you will find your API key. If this video helps you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more tips.